In this video, I'm going to talk about an issue when you are installing a theme and you get an issue like the foreign themes are installed but incomplete. So in other words, you fail to activate another theme. Okay, there's actually like two themes in this WordPress, but I can't really activate the another one because of this error, like style sheet is missing. So when you have this issue, you just have to make sure like your themes folder, your files in that theme are not inside another theme. For example, like this folder is a theme that I want to use, but inside this theme there's another folder. Inside this folder there's a folder inside another folder. So you have to make sure like your files are directly inside the folder theme. For example, this one, 2023, when you enter it, the files are here. So it means you just have to move the files which are inside this folder here, because this is a folder inside another folder, and actually the theme here was not extracted. So that's why actually this was showing like the theme is not it's kind of missing. So what I do is I have to extract actually these guys. Let me extract them first. Okay, that is done. Let me extract the child theme, even if I don't extract it. Okay, so okay, they extracted. So I'm going to move this and this on top. I need this to be directly in the themes. Okay, so I'm going to put it there. Okay, even this one, let me move it. It has to be directly into the themes folders. Okay. Okay, I think these are just plugins, so okay, all right. So let me go back here. Let me go back in the themes. So the themes have to be directly here. Okay, when you enter this, it has to show like the files are there. So that's how you fix this issue. Let me actually make sure. Oops, what have I clicked on? Let me make sure they have the names which I want. This one is confusing me. Okay, this is actually a real film. So I just want to name it this, right? The folder name has to be that. Just this child, let me just name it like this. Okay. So, okay, I think I don't need this, but let me just leave it there. So let me go to themes. So after that, you realize actually now the film will be there. Okay, the film will be there, and I just have to actually activate it. So that's how you actually fix the issue of style sheet is missing. Okay, let me know if the video has actually helped you out. Leave me a comment, subscribe, like my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.